Chico, come on, let me see you in the water.
Look here, look.
Let's go in the water.
Chloe's swimming. This is her favorite spot.
Yeah, Chloe loves it here.
Look at her. I love how she does her swimming here. It's deep enough for her.
Oh, you gotta send that
Look,
to them.
I am. Look how cute. You like it, Chloe? Uh-oh, look. Look how cute. Around the tree.
Hey, Maul, how are you? How's the water? What is it, Coco? Coco, how about going in the water? Come on, Coco. Water, buddy.
Where's Oreo?
Right here. Oreo, how's the water?
Jazzy, they left you all by yourself?
What time are you leaving here? What time's your
Probably about 11:45.
11:45.